So I'm pretty excited for what I'm gonna do with this. It's pretty rough, but we'll make it look better, you know. Headlights a little faded, rims a little dirty, but this is my s2000. So, I mean, a little rough. We don't have any handles here, but that's fixable. You know, steering wheel's nice, shifting's nice. How about this? Oh, I mean, that's fixable, right? Still an S2000, you know. S2 sexy. So I was fortunate enough to get this exhaust for Christmas. I chose this because it's supposed to be OEM plus, so technically it's a lot better than OEM, just a little bit louder, and that's perfect for me because I gotta keep things quiet if I want more power. So this is by Fujitsubo. It's the Legalis R exhaust, and it's one of the sought after S2000 exhausts. So we'll see how it sounds like after I put it and how much of improvement it'll be. So removing is pretty simple. You got to remove this bracket first, and it's held on by a couple of 14mm and 10mm bolts. Once that out, just lubricate the mounts or bushings or whatever, these exhaust hangers. Once you lubricate that, you could remove it from the catalytic converter and it should pop right off. That's it. So installation looks pretty simple. Like, we had to reuse most of the hangers that came on the car. I'm missing one because I was always missing one. They actually only give you two here, which are for the front, and then the rest you have to reuse. Instead of the one piece that's the stock exhaust, this is two pieces, so one really big one, but it's still light. It's still lighter than the stock exhaust, so that's good. And hopefully this will go easy. So after installing it, I can't really tell the difference between this or OEM, but that's fine because we're planning on putting more power to it and we'll figure out whether or not it improves in sound.